Hi, this is Gerald Rolese, Functional Nutrition Consultant here at the Natural Health Improvement Center. And today we're going to talk about how to choose your purification kit. So many of you have actually gone through a 21-day purification program. Many of you are new to us. So where do you start? There's so many options. Step one, choose your fiber. There's whole food fiber and there's gastro fiber. So typically we recommend that if anybody has a looser stool, so normal to loose, we're going to recommend gastro fiber. Now those are in capsules, okay? If you are not wanting to take more capsules than what's usually recommended, or your stools are a little firmer, then we're gonna recommend the whole food fiber. So whole food fiber is recommended for those who have normal stools to firmer stools. Now both are actually made up of a good blend of soluble fibers and insoluble fibers. So it doesn't matter which one you choose, okay? You have some slight preferences. They're very similar. We typically like to recommend the gastro fiber. It's a lot easier because of just it's in the capsule form. The whole food fiber is in the powder form. Your next step is to choose your protein. Do you want a dairy okay protein or a dairy-free version? So the SP Complete, which is the gold standard, is primarily made out of a whey protein concentrate versus the dairy-free option is made out of rice as well as flax protein. So that's the SP Complete dairy-free. Okay, once you figure out which protein you want, then you're gonna check out and select what flavor do you want. Do you want chocolate, vanilla, totally plain, unflavored, or berry or fruit flavored, okay? So we have a couple of permutations here. And by the way, we have a download link for a PDF file that'll map out everything I'm talking about, so you can just follow it along, pick your kit, and then just order it as easy as 1, 2, and 3. So second step was choosing your protein. Third step is choosing your flavor. If you want chocolate, the SP Complete comes in a chocolate flavor as well as the SP Complete comes in vanilla. And then if you wanted to add in a fruit flavor, you're gonna actually get the unflavored kit and you're gonna add in a tub of SB Power Mix. This is fruit flavored, so this you can add in to flavor your unflavored shake. This is a great combination of vegetables as well as fruits. On the dairy-free side, so let's say you choose and select the kit, the SP Complete dairy-free, well, unfortunately, that only comes in unflavored. So then you're gonna add in a tub of the Veggie Complete Pro chocolate to add in a scoop to give it the chocolate flavor. And you can add in the Veggie Complete Pro vanilla to give it a vanilla flavor shake. And when you have that SP dairy-free version, if you wanted to make it berry, you're gonna add in a scoop of the Power Mix, which has the fruits and vegetables. Okay, so those are your options. Again, down below I have the link. It's a map on how to order the actual kit that fits you best, okay? You're starting off with choosing your fiber, choosing your protein, and choosing what kind of flavoring you want. And if you have any questions whatsoever, reach out to myself or my team here at NHICenter.com. I look forward to you being able to provide your body the purification solutions for this polluted world. We got so many toxins and we need to jumpstart healthy habits. And this is an amazing program that's tried and true. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime. May you always be healthy and happy.